Online learning gives you freedom, but it also requires discipline. Without the right habits, it's easy to fall behind, lose focus, or feel overwhelmed. In this video, I'm going to share 10 powerful strategies that will help you stay organized, focused, and confident while learning online, whether you're a student, a professional, or learning something new on your own. Let's get started. Number 1. Create a consistent study schedule. Online classes don't have bells or classrooms, so you must create your own structure. Choose specific times every day to study and treat them like real appointments. When your brain knows when it's time to learn, focus becomes much easier. Number 2. Set up a dedicated study space. Your environment shapes your mindset. Avoid studying in bed or on the couch. Those places are for relaxing. Choose a clean, quiet desk or table that is used only for studying. When you sit there, your brain should automatically switch into learning mode. Number 3. Keep everything organized. Disorganized notes create mental stress. Use folders, notebooks, or digital apps to organize your lectures, assignments, and resources. When you can quickly find what you need, you spend less time searching and more time learning. Number 4. Use the Pomodoro technique. Your brain can only focus for so long. Try studying for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 rounds, take a longer break. This method keeps your energy high and prevents burnout. Number 5. Learn actively, not passively. Watching a lesson isn't enough. Take notes, pause videos, write down questions, and explain concepts in your own words. Active learning helps your brain understand and remember information much better. Number 6. Use multiple learning tools. Everyone learns differently. Some people learn by watching, others by reading, and others by doing. Use videos, articles, diagrams, flashcards, and interactive exercises to make learning more effective and more interesting. Number 7. Test yourself regularly. Don't wait until the final exam. Use quizzes, practice problems, or even self-made tests to check your understanding. Testing helps your brain recognize what you know and what you need to review. Number 8. Set small, clear goals. Big goals can feel overwhelming. Instead of saying, "I'll study today," say, "I'll complete 2 lessons," or "I'll review 1 chapter." Small goals are easier to achieve and help you stay motivated. Number 9. Take care of your health. Your brain is part of your body. Get enough sleep, drink water, eat well, and move your body. When you feel better physically, your mind becomes sharper and more focused. Number 10. Review and reflect every week. At the end of each week, look back at what you learned. Summarize the key ideas, review mistakes, and plan what you'll study next. This turns short-term learning into long-term knowledge. Outro. Online learning doesn't have to be stressful. With the right habits, it can be powerful, flexible, and even enjoyable. Start using these tips today, and you'll see real improvement in your focus, confidence, and results. Thanks for watching, and remember to study smart.